What's going on, everybody? I am the Watch Lad, and today we're going to be discussing some of my all-time favorite dive watches for under $250. Now, I understand divers aren't for everybody, but I've personally always been a huge fan of them, mostly for their durability and versatility. Dive watches can really take a beating, and in many cases are also very stylish. So, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Alright, so what are some awesome dive watches for under $250? And as always guys, I'll be leaving links for all of these watches down in the description below, so make sure to check them out, it really does help the channel. And with that being said, let's move on to my first recommendation, and that's the Orient Ray 2. Now, Orient's a fantastic brand if you're just starting to get into watches. They're definitely one of my favorites. They've been around for decades, and all of their mechanical watches feature in-house Japanese-made movements, which is quite frankly awesome at this price point. The Orient Ray 2 starts at just around $140, has a 41mm diameter, and has a water resistance rating of 200 meters. The movement is an in-house Orient caliber F6922 automatic. This movement does feature hand winding and hacking, unlike the original Orient Ray, so this is definitely a great upgrade. They also upgraded the bezel to be 120 clicks, which improves precision. Overall, it's a great robust diver that has a classic aesthetic. It's hard to go wrong with an Orient, and at this price I'd say it's definitely worth it. Okay, so moving on to recommendation number 2, we have the Citizen Pro Master, which comes in at around $145. This is the BNO15109L. It's powered by a Citizen EcoDrive movement, which means it's 100% solar powered, and not just from sunlight. As far as I know, pretty much any light source will charge these watches. It's incredible solar technology, and just wearing it for a day outside can provide something crazy like 5 or 6 months of power, which is just incredible. This ProMaster has a 48mm diameter, has some very good luminous hands, and has a 200-meter water resistance rating. It's also ISO certified and comes on a very robust polyurethane strap. This is a great dive watch for those looking for nice aesthetics coupled with solid functionality. Let's move on to my third recommendation, which is probably the most divisive watch on this entire list, and that's the Invicta Pro Diver Automatic. Now, I get why many people don't like Invicta, and it's usually because of watches like this and this. But I did do a full review of the Pro Diver in the past that you guys can check out, and it really does provide incredible value for the money that you pay. It comes in at just around $85, has a case diameter of 40mm, and boasts an impressive water resistance rating of 200 meters. The movement is a Seiko caliber NH35A, which is a very reliable movement for a watch of this price, and it also features hand winding and hacking. Now, as far as the aesthetics are concerned, the Pro Diver greatly pays homage to the Rolex Submariner. Some people love this aspect, and some people hate it. It's all up to your personal preferences, but at the end of the day, I think we can all agree that this watch is one of the best bangs for your buck when it comes to an automatic diving watch under $100. Okay, so moving on to number 4, we have the incredibly affordable Casio Duro. This is the MDV1061A, and I just had to include it on this list because, come on guys, we're talking about 200-meter water resistance at just $50. This watch has a quartz movement, which is to be expected at this price point. The case diameter is 44mm, and the watch features a rotating bezel, a date display, some great luminous hands, and a screw-down crown. Overall, this is a fantastic option for you if you want 200-meter water resistance at an affordable price. It's a very durable watch, and it will certainly get the job done. Next, we move on to a Swiss option, and that's the Victorinox Swiss Army Dive Master. I've always been a huge fan of Victorinox for their dependable pocket knives, and their watches are no different. They are very durable, functional, and stylistically well done, and this diver is no exception. It has a modest size of just 38mm, and it boasts a very impressive water resistance rating of 500 meters, features a high quality Swiss quartz movement, and a scratch resistant sapphire crystal. It comes in at just right around $190 and is a great option if you're into Swiss Army knives as well. It's a really cool feeling when you can carry a Swiss Army knife in your pocket and at the same time have a Swiss Army watch on your wrist. Now, moving on to probably the most respected diving watch on this entire list, and that's the Seiko SKX. Where should I even start with this one? Well, for starters, it has an extremely functional design. It's really designed to do exactly what it's supposed to, and that's to be a diving watch. The water resistance is 200 meters and is ISO certified. It's very legible, with the lume being some of the best that I've ever seen on a watch of this price. Which, speaking of the price, you can own this iconic timepiece for right around $240. This is a watch that is respected by even the most stubborn of watch snobs due to the reputation that it has. Now, when it comes to the movement, we have the incredibly reliable Seiko 7S26. This is a movement that has really earned its reputation, and I spoke a lot about it in my review of the Seiko 5 SNK809. Overall, it's a perfect introduction into automatic timepieces and will last for years and years with very little servicing. If you're looking for a true legend to add to your watch collection, you should definitely consider the Seiko SKX. It comes in many different styles and sizes, so I'm sure you'll be able to find the right one for you. Next, we have another watch from Seiko, and that's the Seiko 5 SNZ F17. The Seiko 5 series is one that I've spoken about on the channel before, and it's a really great introduction into the world of mechanical timepieces. This diver features the Seiko Caliber 7S36 automatic movement, which is another great reliable movement from Seiko. The watch comes in at just around $140 and has a case diameter of 41 millimeters. It does have a little less water resistance than most of the watches on this list, with a water resistance rating coming in at 100 meters, but many people think that the watch makes up for this in the style department. This watch pays homage to the Rolex Submariner while still having features that identify it as an original Seiko timepiece. It's a great choice if you're looking for that Submariner feel, but you don't want a total homage like the Invicta Pro Diver. Next on our list, we have another watch from Orient, and that's the Mako XL. This watch is exactly what the name suggests. It's an enlarged version of the Orient Mako. The Mako XL comes in at $140 and has an increased case diameter of 44 millimeters. It features the Orient Caliber 46943 automatic movement, a screw-down crown, 200 meters of water resistance, a unidirectional 120 click bezel, and a day-date display. This is a great choice for anyone who is a bit larger wristed or likes their diving watches to have a little bit more presence on their wrist. You can't go wrong with Orient in my opinion, and at the end of the day, they offer some of the most aesthetically pleasing divers out there. Now, with this next one, we're looking at something drastically different from most of the watches on this list, but ironically, it's probably the most practical. And that's the Casio G-Shock GG1000 1A5CR. This watch is of course a quartz, and it has a rather larger size, which is to be expected from a G-Shock, with the diameter coming in at 56 millimeters. Now, with a G-Shock, you really get an incredible amount of features, everything from the shock resistance all the way to the LED backlight. This watch also features a stopwatch, world time, a thermometer, a digital compass, and much more. It's truly a great functional timepiece that can be beat around and worn for years and years. The price of this watch comes in at around $200 to $250, but when it comes down to the amount of features that it has, it really can't be beat at this price point. Which brings us to watch number 10, which is the last watch on this list, and probably the most unique. At number 10 we have the Vostok Amphibian. Now, Vostok is a Russian watch manufacturer that dates all the way back to 1942 and are mostly known for their rugged military diving watches. These guys produce some of the most unique looking divers out there, and they really have a nostalgic feel to them. They almost remind me of something you might see in some kind of old sci-fi movie, but that's just me. Now, they also come in at an extremely decent price, around $90 to be exact, and they do have a ton of options to choose from different color schemes to different case diameters. You'll definitely be able to find one that you like. But one thing they all seem to have in common is that they all feature 200 meter water resistance as well as automatic mechanical movements. These watches offer some great character and specs at a decent price point. They can really add a unique piece to your diver collection, so definitely check them out. Alright guys, so that concludes the list, and again, as always, I'll have all of these watches linked down in the description below. If you want to check them out, it really does help the channel. And also, tell me what you guys think down in the comments. Were you guys surprised by any of the watches on this list? And if so, which ones? Also, what's your favorite diver under $250? And lastly, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I am the Watch Lad, and most importantly guys, really enjoy and have fun with your dive watches. Take care.